Well, howdy tubers. Still at the Marlin fly-in where I landed, well, yesterday, and then come back and got more, or didn't come back with my airplanes, but the video of all the flying that's going on right now. My dad's got a Skybolt just like that, except he's got ailerons on both wings. I know, that's got ailerons on both wings. How about ailerons on all four? And I just flew my Chaos. Maybe I'll zoom out. Just flew my Chaos, well, again, I guess today. And here's what I brought. My son's on his way up here from Fort Scott. This has got my Flea Fly 10 point or plus 10.1 is got a crack, and I can see it in the there. It's got a crack in the crankcase there. I don't know if I can do anything about that or not. And what I call my Eagle V, and haven't made it down yet. Walt went down and flew off the pond. I haven't gone there, but figure I'll wait for my boy to get here. Of course, won't be able to do it till tomorrow, because I got to leave for 50th anniversary pre-party dinner thing. P40, foamy. But what I'm really getting you in here for is to show you really something pretty. And no, that isn't it. No, that isn't it. Well, I mean, they're pretty, but little foamy electrics. But here we go. What do you think of this? Now I can't remember what these things are called. I'll have to take a picture of this too and send it to my mom, because she knows this. Dale and Liz. Liz is from Germany. That's why it's spelled like that. So there's your video for today. There you go, and God bless.